Here is a technological marvel that speeds up railway construction, the automatic rail assembly machine. This machine is designed to place and fix rails with millimeter precision. In the first step, the machine lifts the rails and positions them on the previously prepared ground. Then, the rail fasteners and screws are installed automatically. All these operations are carried out without the need for human intervention thanks to the laser guidance system and advanced sensors. This technology not only saves time, but also reduces labor costs and increases the precision of projects. The automatic rail assembly machine is a perfect example of efficiency and modern technology in railway construction.